Okay, let me explain to y'all why I'm out here walking in this brisk weather. So long story short, and I hope you guys can hear me, life be lifing when you're a property manager. So I did majority of my fall inspections already for each of the properties that I manage. I only have 2 remaining. And so, of course, one of the 2 that's remaining, all of a sudden, right before our scheduled walkthrough, I get a text message from the tenant saying, hey, my hot water heater is out, the kitchen sink is leaking, the refrigerator is leaking, and my dryer is not working. I was like, bruh, I know that didn't just all happen all at once or overnight. Very coincidental that you're reaching out to me right now. And that was late last night. So I have a great landlord that hopped into action immediately. The hot water is back on. The plumber is going over there later today to work on the leaks. Oop, hold on one second. There's a trash truck coming. Okay, it's coming, but I'm gonna talk anyway for right now. Okay, so the leaks will be handled and all that fun stuff, right? Thank God for a great landlord that they're just amazing. They even ordered a brand new dryer to replace the one that's broken, right? So anyway, then life happened to me because our hot water heater went out at my home, and I got an email from Ecobee saying that our HVAC system is causing the thermostat to continuously reset. I don't know if it's the thermostat or the HVAC system. So yeah, we have that underway. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, life is lifing. I'll say that much. And it's okay. Things definitely happen and we have to adjust and be adaptable, I should say. As a result, the owner did implement a home warranty for that particular property. They have like 4 total, so now all of them are under a home warranty. The plumber is on their way to my house. So I think all is well despite the setback. And of course, I have showings later today, especially for one of the vacant units that that particular owner has. So that's what I'll be doing later. So just stay flexible, guys. Life is what it is. Just wanted to give you guys a little peek into my world as a property manager. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.